Oh God. You frozen. Lots of love from Malaysia. Wow. Lots of love from Malaysia, from Vietnam, from Canada. My God, Molki is going places. Amar abhi yaar dikhe tum.
Okay, thank you.
Which side of Goa are you guys?
We are in the North Goa, but we are really somewhere inside here. So it
Interiors
depends.
mein.
Some places there is very bad network where we are.
Okay, okay. You should take a local SIM
Mohit,
जो
thank you
वहाँ
so
पे
much.
नेट चलता है.
Yogi, hi, Yogi joined us. Hi, Yogi, how are you?
Turkey. Hi guys. People are watching in Turkey also. I get so excited.
South Africa
Turkey
as well. South Africa, hi. Risha,
Yeah. South.
Risha, hi, South Africa. Love to South Africa, everybody there, Risha. Thank you so much. And Sabaji Toy finally sent us Goa destination wedding in Molki, which was really unexpected. We are really enjoying it.
Thanks to the virus. Allah Toba.
No. That's really bad. But anyway, we're making the show must
But
go
you
on.
guys
You know,
are,
that's what
you guys are
the spirit
enjoying.
is.
You guys are enjoying having fun.
Yeah, it's Goa is really hot and humid, and
Okay.
Mukhi wears so many clothes, so you can
But
imagine.
oh my God, it must be killing.
So I'm like roasted every afternoon, sham tak, सुबह से completely.
और आउटडोर्स भी है ना थोड़े.
आउटडोर भी है, धूप में पूरे बीच पे शादी भी है, तो पता नहीं बहुत कुछ. लेकिन we are giving the best shot possible.
But you guys are doing a good job and Molki is going to be number one इंशाल्लाह. इंशाल्लाह ये मेरी जिद है. मतलब करना है number one.
सेम मेरी जिद है डे वन से कि इसको मोल्की को नंबर वन लेके जाना है. Not only on colors, across all channels.
Across all channels. We
Correct.
have
Across
to,
all
have
channels.
to, have to. इस जज्बे
And
के
we
साथ
need
हम लोग
support.
काम कर रहे हैं.
And we need support of all the fans who are with us live, who are watching Molki, who are not live. And spread the word to your family and friends to watch Molki, please. Because this is not a daily show. The usual daily show.
Yeah,
This is something very different.
And it's for every age group. बच्चे भी, बूढ़े भी, जवान भी, लड़कियां भी, लड़के भी, you know, everybody. It caters to everybody.
It's got a very different quality content which you don't see on television usually. And this is, I tell you what, it is somewhere in between television content and OTT platform content. We are trying to achieve what we achieve on the OTT. Here on Molki, though it's very challenging, a daily soap is very challenging to churn out so many episodes on the OTT platform level. Because OTT में तो एक सीजन में 15 एपिसोड 20 एपिसोड होते हैं, उसके बाद खत्म. You know, यहाँ पर तो हमारे 25 एपिसोड महीने में होते हैं.
हाँ. And we move our story so fast. मतलब जो हम कार्यक्रम शादी वैसे करते हैं, ये रिश्ता में I did a शादी for 1 month. अभी हमारी
So I request all the fans to spread the word around to all the family and friends to watch Molki more and more, because I don't think you guys will be able to see this kind of a show for a long time on television, because these kind of shows are rarely made, I think.
Yeah. Because
I also as an actor have done so many shows, but I said yes to Molki because Molki is very different. It's very different, the thing which I have not done earlier. You know, I have not played a Mukhiya or anything, but I have not played done a show like this. You know, overall, it's a very different show.
And a very challenging
love this show.
And
it's one of my favorite shows that I've done.
Job as Mukhi, your name has come in characters India loves. That's really huge. You know that.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
India love the whole. मतलब उस list में आना बहुत बड़ी बात है. And you are not like 90 number or 100 number, but you are 26. You will come to number 1, inshallah.
So I would love to thank all my fans who are watching Molki and all my Insta fans, Facebook fans who made it possible. To my writer Sabah, of course. I mean, the way you write Mukhi. And of course Ekta, who gave me a chance again to work with Balaji.
produce this show, yeah. And all our director, creative director, Shivangi.
No, I just especially I want to thank Muzu, my director.
Haan.
The way he takes the shot, the way he likes, he loves Mookie. You know, Muzu also loves Mookie, I think. The way he takes my shot, the way whatever you write, he adds something his own on that. He adds his own stuff also. In the small thing that he adds in direction, and that also makes a difference. So I think you and Muzu both are a fantastic team for me. Actually,
We are in love with
it works
Mookie
for
and
me.
Purvi.
Oh yeah. Even I think she's doing.
When you guys fell ill, na, I had gone for a marriage. I had written a bank of episodes. तो जब
I
मैं
saw
गई,
your
मुझे फोन आया कि प्रियल को हो गया, फिर फोन आया कि तुम्हें हो गया, फिर फोन आया तोरल को. God, I was just rewriting episodes in that शादी.
I was thinking about you कि आपकी हालत क्या हो गई होगी.
हाँ, और क्या लिखे मतलब. But the kids did a very good job. बच्चों ने बहुत
या
अच्छा.
वेरी गुड. जब मुझे तो डर था कि हम तीनों को हो गया तो घबराहट के मारे क्या लिखूं, आपको कुछ ना हो जाए.
नहीं.
So yes, Diksha Mehta, thank you so much for joining in, and lovely Likhitiya, thank you so much. Lots of love to you. Sheetal Behel, hi. My hottie Amar Upadhyay, hi guys. Thank you so much for running this page like handle like superb. Molki fan, Amritsar say hi. Love to Amritsar in Punjab. I've got new fan following in Punjab. Thank you so much, all the Punjab and all my sturdy friends. You guys rock, man. And Pooja Sahu, hi. I'm fine. Thank you so much. Purvi addicted. जूते किसे चुराने हैं. VPS ने तो अगर मेरे जूते किसी चुराए वो पकड़ा गया तो मैं पंचायत बिठा दूंगा.
और उसको कोयले पे चलवाओगे.
नहीं, यहाँ पे तो मैं पानी में चलने बोलूंगा, नहीं चले तो डूब जाओगे.
समुंदर पे चलाओगे.
हाँ, समुंदर पे. So लड़की वाले कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, बच के रहना. हाँ, लड़की वाले भी बड़े शातिर हैं. है 4-5 लोग लेकिन वो डेंजर. उसमें सबा भी शामिल है. तो
मैं तो लड़की वालों में हूँ. But where is the लड़की?
This is not right यार, सबा. This is not right. Because television इसलिए.
नहीं, मैं बेपैंदी का लोटा हूँ. मैं तुम्हारी साइड पे आ जाऊंगी.
नहीं, तुम दोनों की तरफ से हो.
मैं दोनों की तरफ से.
हाँ, ये ना.
दोनों की तरफ.
हाँ, योगी अंकित, हाय अंकित. हाँ भाई दादा इज फाइन. थैंक यू सो मच भाई.
बात करूँ मैं.
अरे मेरा राइटर चला गया.
नहीं, आ रही हूँ.
हाँ, जब राइटर मैदान छोड़ के भाग गया तो हमारे पास स्क्रिप्ट नहीं होती फिर.
My sister, she was knocking on
Thank
the
you so much
door.
for saying love you, sir. I love you too. Oh, hi, Ginger. This Ginger है.
She was knocking, scratching on the door. अच्छा, अभी दोनों मेरे पास हैं.
Hi, Pooja Bhardwaj.
अच्छा, I can't see the name scrolling up. ऐसा क्यों?
Well, I think वो थोड़ा ऊपर scroll करना पड़ेगा. You will scroll up and you will be able to see it.
Okay. Yeah. Now I saw.
बाईसा जी मध्य प्रदेश से आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. आप देख रहे हो मुल्की और देखते रहिए और सबको बोलते रहिए. थैंक यू सो मच.
पूरे शहर, गांव, मोहल्ला सब में सबको दिखाइए. मुल्की से नहीं होएगा, सबको देखिए.
पल्लवी गुप्ता, hi Pallavi. I keep reposting all your posts because you make lovely VMs. Thank you so much, Pallavi. और आपका नाम मैंने ले लिया, पल्लवी. एक बार नहीं 10 बार ले लिया. Thank you so much, Pallavi. Okay. This is my fan from my earlier show, Sevada Ogut. Okay, I love you, Dharam. Thank you so much, Nadra Khan. Thank you so much.
Love from Canada.
Oh, thank you so much. Canada has been watching Molki. Thank you so much. In Canada, South Africa, Turkey, Malaysia, everywhere. I think lots of. Yeah, Vietnam, of course, everywhere. Pakistan, we have a lot of fans. Thank you so much, Pakistan, for watching Molki. Everywhere. Huh?
Sir, love from Pakistan.
Pakistan, Nepal, all the places around our country. Thank you so much. Hi, Molki lovers. Hi, thank you so much, Nancy. Okay, Nancy, Molki _ lover is your handle. Now I know your real name, Nancy. All right. So, my hottie Amar Upadhyay from Tamil Nadu. Epidirkenge nalla irukke.
Oh, you can
How are
speak?
you? This is Tamil. How are you?
Acha.
So somebody from Tamil Nadu has come in. So I know kunjam Tamil theriyum.
Lots of love from Egypt. Wow.
Oh wow, Egypt. That's
new,
new for
huh?
me. Yeah,
That's
lovely.
new. Yeah.
I love Egypt. Yeah, Egypt is fantastic.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you so much.
Greetings from Suriname, Bangladesh.
Oh yeah,
Amazing
Bangladesh.
guys.
Yeah, Bangladesh. I have a lot of fans. Yeah, Bangladesh has been watching it. So GRG, thank you so much. And Shalini Singh, thank you so much for loving Molki and watching Molki. बैसा जी, अरे यार क्यों लिखा आपने, मैं समझ नहीं पाया. और आप एमपी से हो, मुझे अभी भी याद है.
ताऊ जी कब मिलेंगे? ताऊ
ताऊ
जी
जी
को
नहीं मिलेंगे.
गोवा बुलाना चाहिए. गोवा वाले बीच पे. South Africa, sir, you have been to South Africa, they're asking.
Tauji's got COVID. Tauji is taking injection. Tauji is 80-year-old. We want Molki on weekends too. Weekends mein Molki, that's not my call or Sabah's call. That's channel's call. So we cannot say anything on that. That would request colors.
भैया 5 एपिसोड लिखने में जान जाती है, 7 मत लिखवाओ.
Okay, hey dude, I'm from Singapore. Hi honey, thank you so much. Upadhyay family, Singapore now. Okay, Singapore is there.
That's also new.
Yeah. So thank you guys. I think this guy is standing
सर
here.
आप कभी मेरा नाम नहीं लेते, किसी को शिकायत है तुमसे?
उनका नाम क्या बताओ, मुझे अभी लेता हूँ.
मुझे भी नहीं पता. Just going scrolling very fast. Just say whoever it
Okay.
is. Give them a message.
भूमि का नाम, आई थिंक भूमि बोल रही है. भूमि, मैंने तुम्हारा नाम लिया. भूमि, हाय भूमि, हाउ आर यू भूमि? अक्षर, हाय अक्षर, हाय प्रिया मनोचा from Canada. Hi Priya, thanks for watching in Canada. Please spread the word around in Canada also. And Molki Creations Africa and Kenya. Huh?
Mona from Pakistan का नाम ले लो.
Hi Mona, how are you? Thank you for watching Molki in Pakistan. I hope you guys are loving the show. Sabah is working really hard and churning out lovely episodes.
And Amar and Priyala partying in Goa and I am working hard.
Yeah, and by the way, let me tell you, all the fans here, that television serial in India is purely writers' medium, and we are very proud of Sabah.
Thank you. You're proud
So
of
on
what?
this beautiful note, I will go for my shoot. मेरी अभी 11:30-12 तक shooting है, and I'll catch you guys soon. Sabah, you continue, and love you all, and thanks for joining. And we'll do a live again in a couple of days again.
Yeah, we'll do with Priya and you both. Okay, thank
Bye
you.
guys, I love you a lot.
Love
See you
you.
soon.
My
Bye
dog.
bye bye. Take care. See you.
You'll,
Bye.
अरे तुम हटोगे कैसे? You'll leave ना? You'll exit ना?
I'll leave. Yeah.
चलो bye. Take care. Stay safe.